Kanina nung nagtatalumpati siya, no, I was listening intently dun sa SONA together with my wife, no, and talagang every time, parang wala yata siyang binanggit doon na hindi kami nagkaroon ng reaction na talagang either matatawa ka or magugulat ka kasi hindi natin alam talaga kung ano yung pinaghuhugutan niya or saan nanggagaling yung mga datos na sinasabi niya, no. So para sa akin talaga I agree, no, at talagang maaaring itong statements na to ng ating executive secretary, of course, is really meant to put praises dito sa ating Pangulo. Pero at the end of the day, talaga may kita natin that there's really this disconnect, no. I think this is a SONA that really failed to communicate to the people what the public really demands at this point in time. And I think ito yung pinapakita rin na yung ating Pangulo ay nasa ibang plane of consciousness, ano? And I don't know where he is at the moment, but definitely he is disconnected with the reality. Ganon din naman yung kanyang mga nakapalibot sa kanya, mukhang ganon din naman sila mag-isip because definitely they are in the same level of existential reality. No? I don't know what that is. No? Pero kung titignan natin yung tunay na kalagayan ng ating mga kababayan, doon talaga sa masasalamin yung katotohanan. And I think hindi magsisunungaling yung mukha ng kahirapan. Yun po yung ating dapat talaga rito tignan.
Kayo'y nakikinig sa DWAY 1332 SMNI Radio Cabanatuan, kapartner mo sa balita at serbisyo.